Hey guys, it's time for unboxing.
And what is inside? This is some documents. Congratulations on the purchase of your Nextbase dashcam.
Okay, I will read it for you. Congratulations on the purchase of your Nextbase dashcam. This easy fill sticker is designed to be placed in your rear or side window. We suggest you do not place the sticker on my windows that open and close. The sticker is easy to remove and will not leave any residue on the glass.
This is the sticker.
This is a warning.
Yeah.
Warning
This is
sticker.
wax, something. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay, thank you for purchasing this Nextbase dashcam. And that's it.
Yeah, this is some manual. Okay. Repair. Wow. It's small.
This is the real camera. I mean, this is the main camera.
Yeah, this is mine.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a small piece.
Yeah.
Okay. What is next? This is wire. Wire for connect.
Cable wire.
Yeah. Wire for connect. With lighter. This is next.
And this is for what?
This is for a window holder.
Could you explain for them?
Yeah. I watched some video about this camera, of course, before, and it will be connected like this. It's a magnet. But yeah, like this. Yeah, it's magnet. And now to remove. Yeah, only must a little bit more. One piece of window holder. I think. What is next? No, it's not remote. This is some holder. This for remote on the window. It's different. Okay, I think it's on. This is what we'll place this wire inside car. And it will be right it. Okay, next. This is for this rear camera.
It's so small, oh my god,
Yeah, it's small piece.
and you must make it there?
Yeah, because I don't have my eyeglasses, I must. Yeah, but success. And it is. So everything is magnet. Huh? Don't need like this for rear wheel. Yeah. Now it's like this. This is rear, and it's I think it's ready for changing angle. Yeah. And this is front, and it will be looking like this in the car. Yeah, it will be on the window, on the front, and it will be front and back side. Camera, front, back. This is USB connect to computer, I think, with wire. And here I think it's a microphone. I think here, because it will have Alexa, and talk to Alexa what you want, and Alexa do it because it's connected.
Okay guys, now it's time for for put it in the car, and I have this OBD2 connector for make a hard wire be working all time. If I park something, it still stay on. Yeah, this is switch on off. Yeah, and this box save my battery if going low voltage. It switch on, it switch off this camera. Yeah. Okay guys, now it's time for put this holder here in the, I think here I want clean it with alcohol bit good adhesive. Yeah. And now I only, yeah, like this way. Okay, let's go. Yes. And now it's time for connecting with this wiring. It's starting here in the OBD connector, and it will going this way and plug in the holder, because this camera have magnet, and after yeah, like this. Yes. Okay. And now I only plug in here. Okay, I did it down from the holder and connect with the wire. And now get back and start holding wire here. Because I start from this side, because I don't want have a long wire here. I after I hide it on this side under this plastic. Okay, so now me put this wire the right things. It's not easy. Yeah, now I think I'm right. And only put this wire here. Now only here. here. Yes. Hi.
Hello. Good morning.
It's very hard, this plastic. And I don't know, but okay, I must put back this because it's always wind me out. Now. But where I hide this, I really don't know. Because it's big.
There is no place. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, good job.
It's already hide. Only this switch stay here.
That's a switch. Switch.
Yeah, for on or off. Not must put this OBD out if I want to stop working. Okay. Now I plug the camera holder and it start. Yes. And we are connected. And we will see. I think this camera need a little bit up. Be showing right our back. Okay, and now it will record front and back view. We will show you after we go back. We will show you what we have, what we record from this camera. Okay guys, bye for now.
Walking alone, the streets are empty.